Hi, my name's Chris Donzelli, and I'm the owner of Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning. At Perfect Star, we do maintenance, service, and installation of residential heating and cooling systems. The reason why you should choose Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning is because of our quality of work and our honesty, as well as the fact that we have a high satisfaction rate from all of our clients. We guarantee what we promise you through our guarantees that we provide you. The first one is our 1-year test drive on anything we do. So you get 1 year to test drive that air conditioner and see if you're happy with it. If you're not, we'll come out and take it out and give you all your money back within the first year. Our slogan is, we keep you in your comfort zone, and that's what we live by. One of the best things about my work is that I'm allowed to change people's lives through providing them with comfort, as well as breathing clean, fresh indoor air quality. People don't realize how important it is to filter their air, and not just filter the big stuff that gets caught in the filter, but the little stuff. So if your kid has asthma, or I had a client that had respiratory problems, and we put in an Air Scrubber Plus into her home, and she stopped going to the doctor 3 times less a month. That was pretty impactful for her. So that's huge for a company like ours, and for me to be able to change someone's life like that.
Perfect Star came out to our house and talked to my husband and I about replacing our unit, and went over several different options with us, high, low, everything, and we decided on actually going with a brand new unit. They gave us a fantastic price on replacing it. They were fast, they were reliable, their technician was very friendly. I would definitely recommend Perfect Star.
So if your heating and cooling system needs service, maintenance, or installation, call Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning, and we'll keep you in your comfort zone.